Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete all TikTok saved videos all at once. For example, if you have many number of hours of TikTok
ਸੱਤ
saved
ਜਨਮ
videos
ਵੀ
and
ਲਾ
if
ਕੇ
you want
ਮੋੜ
to
ਸਕਾਂ
delete
ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਮੁੱਲ
all of them all at once, and how you can do that, for this what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have simply open the App Store here. In the App Store, you have to simply search for the TikTok, and here you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the TikTok app, and if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the TikTok app. And after updating the TikTok app, you have to simply open the TikTok app, and you have to click on the profile, and you have to open the saved video. The first method is that you have to simply open the videos one by one and click on that save button, and it will be removed from that save video folder. And but if you have many numbers of videos, then it will be very difficult. And if you want to delete them all, then there will be option available that you can simply search for an app which can help you for this more number of saved videos. But I will recommend you to not use that kind of apps. The second method is that you can simply delete your account permanently or deactivate it, and in this way your data will also be deleted, and including the saved videos. But if you do not want to delete your TikTok account, the only method is as that you can simply click on the videos and click on unsave option, and after that all of your videos will be unsaved. So you have to simply click on one by one, and after that you will be able to delete or unsave your all TikTok videos. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.